Hi there, my name is Mar Haddad and I'm the founder and the main author of MyNetworkTraining.com. I have created this website to help students in studying courses from different vendors on one website. A brief idea about myself: I'm a trainer and I hold certificates from different vendors such as Cisco, Microtik, Huawei, LigoWave, CompTIA, and much more. As holding all those certificates, I have decided to share my knowledge to you on one website you can learn all topics from different vendors. I have made the registration to be very cost effective, in which anyone can afford to register to my courses. You can register to my courses either using the monthly membership or the yearly membership, or you can register to my courses by buying each course by itself separately and have lifetime access to it. All my courses are based on hands-on labs. That means that by end of each course, you will have a full hands-on practice on the labs and you'll be able to apply what you have learned on your real network. My network training offers 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you register to my course and you don't like it, you can ask for the refund if you are still in the first 30 days from the date that you have purchased the course, and you will get your refund without any question. If you wish to study IT courses from different vendors, all you need to do is to register to my website and I will help you to reach to your goal.